Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P2138 indicates an issue with the accelerator pedal position APP sensor A and B. This error code is triggered when there is an incorrect voltage correlation between these two sensors. The APP sensors play a critical role by measuring the position of the accelerator pedal, sending this information to the powertrain control module, PCM, to govern engine performance. The APP sensor is integrated within the accelerator pedal module, typically located beneath the driver's side dashboard. This code reflects the PCM's detected voltage deviation, suggesting there is a malfunction that needs immediate attention to ensure vehicle performance and safety. The DTC P2138 is related to the functionality of the accelerator pedal position sensors A and B, which measure the pedal's position to relay accurate information to the vehicle's powertrain control module, or PCM. The PCM is responsible for monitoring and controlling various functions of the engine and transmission. The APP sensors are essential as they help determine the opening of the throttle based on driver input. If the readings from these sensors deviate significantly, it can affect performance and cause the PCM to store this DTC as a warning signal. The APP sensor is integrated into the accelerator pedal module, typically found beneath the driver's side dashboard, making accessibility essential for diagnostics. When diagnosing the DTC P2138, several possible causes can lead to this error. One potential cause is a shorted wire in the APP sensor circuit, which can disrupt communication between the sensors and the PCM. A faulty APP sensor itself might also lead to significant voltage discrepancies, prompting the PCM to flag the issue. Moreover, an underlying malfunction in the PCM could misinterpret the signals from the sensors, resulting in stored codes like P2138. Each of these components must be examined carefully to identify the precise origin of the problem. The symptoms associated with DTC P2138 can significantly influence vehicle operation. Drivers may notice erratic engine performance, which indicates that the PCM is unable to adjust throttle positions accurately based on accelerator input. Often, the check engine light will illuminate, serving as a primary indicator of the fault. Additionally, an unresponsive or sluggish accelerator pedal can be a serious concern, as it limits the driver's control over vehicle speed. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for taking the necessary action to troubleshoot the issue effectively. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2138 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This mode allows for various systems within the vehicle to power on without engaging the engine. Once in this mode, the next action is to press the accelerator pedal completely to the floor. This action helps the powertrain control module monitor the input from the accelerator pedal position sensors A and B. While performing this procedure, the HDS Honda Diagnostic System can be used to check real-time data, which will help confirm whether the sensors are transmitting accurate readings to the PCM. This step focuses on inspecting the external circuit for the accelerator pedal position sensors. The APS1 and APS2 refer to the signals from the two sensors transmitting data to the PCM. Carefully examining the wiring connections and using a multimeter can reveal if there are any shorts or disruptions. A normal condition should show a resistance of more than 1 megaohm, indicating that the wires are intact and functioning properly. Should any abnormalities be present, it may implicate faulty wiring that could negatively impact the signals sent to the PCM. At this stage, the focus shifts to inspecting the accelerator pedal position sensor itself. After ensuring that the PCM connector is disconnected, the vehicle must be turned to the on mode, and the accelerator pedal should be pressed to any position and held. The HDS allows technicians to monitor the APP sensor A and B voltage values. According to diagnostics, the APP sensor A reading should be approximately double that of APP sensor B at all pedal positions, which confirms that both sensors are functioning within the necessary parameters. Deviations from this expected outcome could point toward a malfunctioning sensor or a wiring issue. In this troubleshooting step, we perform a more detailed inspection of the internal circuitry of the APP sensor. The procedure requires the PCM connector to remain disconnected, as continuity testing cannot occur while energized. The testing should be done using a multimeter to check for continuity in the sensor's internal circuit. A normal result shows no continuity, indicating that the internal components of the sensor are functioning correctly. An abnormal result reflects issues within the APP sensor itself, suggesting that replacement or further inspection is necessary. If all previous inspections check out as normal, the final step is to examine the powertrain control module. The PCM, which plays a fundamental role in controlling engine parameters, may sometimes be the source of the problem. To confirm this diagnosis, diagnostic testing will need to verify whether the issue lies solely with the PCM. If the PCM does not respond accordingly, after ensuring all other components function properly, it indicates that there may indeed be a malfunction within the PCM itself, which would necessitate further action, such as reprogramming or replacement. After addressing the issues that led to the DTC P2138 being flagged, it is essential to perform a final repair verification. This includes using the HDS to clear any stored DTCs, including P2138, which ensures that the fault codes do not persist. Following this action, take the vehicle out for a test drive, observing its performance during various accelerations. During this test, pay close attention to the responsiveness of the accelerator pedal. Gauge any unusual behaviors and confirm that the check engine light remains off. Successful completion of this step confirms the resolution of the issue and the reliability of the repairs made. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid future occurrences of DTC P2138. Regular inspections of the accelerator pedal position sensors should be part of routine vehicle checks, particularly after significant mileage or if unusual performance is noted. Monitoring dashboard warning lights, such as the check engine light, can provide early warnings of potential sensor or PCM issues. Furthermore, maintaining a clean and dry environment in areas where wiring harnesses and sensors are located reduces the likelihood of damage from moisture or corrosion. By being proactive, vehicle owners can significantly increase the longevity of these critical components. In conclusion, DTC P2138 presents a critical error concerning the correlation of the accelerator pedal position sensors, which can impact vehicle performance significantly. Addressing the issue involves thorough inspections of the associated wiring, sensors, and the powertrain control module. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring a responsive and efficient engine operation. By following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined in this guide, technicians can pinpoint the exact issue more effectively. Additionally, through regular preventive maintenance, the likelihood of encountering such DTCs in the future can be minimized, ensuring safety and reliability for the driver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.